Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Golden Nanotech. Today I have a laptop, this Dell new model laptop and Inspiron. This laptop have problem in the charging port. So this laptop, when I plug the charger, open password.
9016.
See, now I plug is working, but disconnect, working and disconnect. So I think this problem is charging port. So this charger also working, another laptop is perfectly. So you see, I move, this is not working. So now I will open this laptop. This is the new laptop, only 1 year using, and now I will open backside, have some screw. Okay, you need a small star screwdriver and remove this all screw. And then I will resoldering the cable port, maybe is problem. If you are new in my YouTube channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for new video notification. So I need the plastic to remove. See, already this system is very good. So when you open the screw, almost your body will be open, the laptop body. And here is our laptop, and this is the charging port. So we have to remove first this, we need to remove this. Here is our mission. So guys, I think this problem is charging port, so I have to change this charging port or have to change the charger. First I have to change charger and then check what is the problem. If you still have same problem, need to change this charging port.